Comes a whole new set of barrel racers tonight on this Friday. Cheyenne, Frederickston, Avon, Utah. When they turn that third barrel, turn up the noise. Put on a little fuel right there. 1748. 1748 to start us off tonight. She's all smiles. I love it. Mackenzie King behind the banner of Trails West to come running West Point, Utah. Mackenzie King. So we got 16s is where the money's at. Got to be in the 16. 1663 world champion Jordan Briggs in the 1674 is in second place. I like this little sorrel horse. Got some scat. Went by that second barrel after tipping it, but it didn't topple, but that one did. That's a 5-second penalty for Miss King. 1787 plus a nickel. Darby Reimer, King, Hill, Idaho, the only Idaho barrel racer out tonight. So, you know what to do. When she turns that third barrel, we're going to turn up the noise, and we are going to help that horse with a whole lot of positive energy. Good first turn. He's in the number 2. Now, get ready. Here we go. Now, it is time to fly. Bet your fastest run so far, 17:38. Good job. King Hill, Idaho, Darby Reimer, Renee Capps. Not here. We're going down to Mindy. We're going to go on down to Timber. Oh, there we go. My bad. That's right. Spanish Fork, Utah. Good looking gray. And look at that big engine on the back end of that horse. Man, that horse has got a hind leg, and that means we should have a real good time. 17:51. Now the Mindy. After the drag. Right? No? What are we doing? That was Mindy.
It's time, Captain.
All right, what do you got, buddy?
Okay. My friend has Stone's equipment. They have souped up this John Deere to break the record.
Man,
We'll start the clock. Watch him go. Here we go. He's going to tractor in record time. Start the clock. Now. All right, you can see it. Ladies and gentlemen, 1 minute, 5 seconds is the arena record. Watch this tractor driver, Jason, as he takes this Stokes equipment, John Deere. He leans into the turns with his small frame. He applies pressure to the tractor. This is an Olympic event. I don't know where, but probably Wisconsin. Come on now, make some moves. Now he's going to take that inside track. He can feel the energy from the crowd. Give him a little noise, Preston. Where's he at? Oh, he's on pace. Do you believe in miracles? This could be it. Jason, hit the gas. 53-61. What a champion. Holy mackerel, he's good.
All right. Man, new world record here, and Terry Hurd is donating the money that he won in the 50-50 back to the kids team, the high school rodeo team. That's fantastic. Now back to barrel racing. Here's Ricky Thompson Trenton, Utah. She's got her eye on that first barrel. There you go. These ladies are intense, they're dedicated, and there's a very close bond between these ladies and those horses. Now, send her home. 17:57 for Ricky. 17:57. Now, I'd like you to meet a cowgirl from Three Forks, Montana. Taylor Moinkins, number 15, barrel racer in the world standings this week. Montana State University, where she was one of the most accomplished competitors in their incredibly impressive history. She was the 2021 Intercollegiate World Champion at the College National Finals, runner-up in 2023 and 2024. Now, this is one of the best jockeys in the business, especially for her age. She has got an opportunity with your help to turn it wide open right now. Fastest run of the night, 17:21. 17:21 for a cowgirl trying to maintain the top 15. Qualified for her first Wrangler National Finals rodeo. Now, here comes Taylor Langdon, Ardmore, Oklahoma. She, too, is a very accomplished rider. A long way from home as she's trying to make good with a real snappy second barrel. Coming in hot to number 3. She's around. Get down, go to town, and get across that line. 17:75. 17:75 for Miss Taylor. And one more to go. Kaylee Minton, Mount Sterling, Utah. Easing down that alley. Gaining a little steam, and here we go. Southbound and down. That's how you want your first barrel, right there. Good around number 2. Man, she is burning rubber like Smokey and the Bear. Get around. Get out of there. Oh, hey, there's a lot of money there. 17:07 for the fastest run of the night. 17:07. Kaylee Minton's going to move into the top 10 overall. And that's a great way to pull the curtain down on the West Motor Company barrel racing tonight. Thank you to the West Motor Company, whether you're shopping for your daughter's first car or you need a brand new SUV or a pickup. Oh man, West Motor Company always has something on the lot to match your budget and whatever your needs are.